Welcome back to TCNN. I'm Sean.
And I'm Olivia.
Today we have a big recap of last week's Spirit events.
We'll be going over the pep rally and also Bowlies.
But first, Reese has some highlights from Spirit Week. Take it away.
Hey Tri-City, last week was Spirit Week and we're going to take a look at some fellow students' outfits.
I think my favorite Spirit Day is the Adam Sandler Day. I think that one really is really good.
My favorite Spirit Day was Soccer Mom and Barbecue Dad because I'm a soccer mom.
Through and through.
Yeah.
The grill, apron, because you know I'm the king of the grill. You know this. And my In-N-Out hat, because I love In-N-Out.
In addition to Spirit Week, there was a lunch games on Tuesday and Thursday. On Tuesday, we had a twin competition. It was so fun to watch. Then on Thursday, there was a competition for who has the best substitute for a backpack. Congratulations to the juniors and 7th graders for taking home a victory. Also, this Friday was Neon Day. Wow, those are some pretty cool outfits. Can't wait for the next Spirit Week. Back to you in the studio.
It's great to hear feedback from everyone. Personally, my favorite day was anything but a backpack day.
Oh, really? What'd you bring?
I brought my guitar case. What was your favorite day?
My favorite was definitely Adam Sandler Day because I got to dress comfy.
Yeah, that was a fun one.
To wrap up the week, we had a massive pep rally where the students challenged the teachers to a basketball game.
Cassie has more on that story.
What's up, Tri-City? We're here at the annual Winter Pep Rally that advertises our winter sports, and the main event is the student versus staff basketball game.
I did like volunteering for the pep rally, and I think I did all right. And it was fun.
I thought it was fun. It was fun to like watch them run up and down the court. I would not do it again because that was really embarrassing, and I thought I did really bad because I touched the ball one time and I did not want to shoot it.
I had a lot of fun. I love playing the basketball games against the students. Even though we lost, it was still a lot of fun. I definitely would want to play staff or students basketball game again, although I would hope that we win. We were very close this time, but unfortunately I missed all my shots, which was not fun, but it was still a good time.
It's nice seeing the school get together for this tradition. It was a really close game and everyone played well. Back to you in the studio.
Congratulations to the students for winning against the staff.
It was a pretty fun game to watch.
I completely agree.
With Spirit Week and the pep rally building anticipation for Bowlies, Friday night finally arrived where students congregated at Bolero in San Marcos.
We have Carson and Cedar going over the exciting night.
What's up, Tri-City? I'm Cedar.
And I'm Carson.
Last Friday, we had our first Bowlies.
It was actually supposed to be skaties, but due to some issues, we had to change it to Bowlies.
Here's a quick highlight video to see what happened. Looks like Bowlies was a ton of fun.
I sure had a fun time.
Yeah, me too. Well, that's all we have for you here. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, guys. I sure had a fun evening with my friends.
So did I. Well, that's all we have for you this week.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on
TCNN.